Assalamu alaikum students. Today is our revision class 3. This is the summary of English revision class. That is the exercises which are left of unit number 1. We are going to discuss the exercises of unit number 1. The grammar exercises which are included in unit number 1, that is of noun. What is the definition? First of all, we will discuss noun, then we will discuss some types of noun. What is a noun? A noun names place, animals, places, things, events, qualities, and states. Like we have from the childhood learned this thing that the noun is a name of place, person, but it's not only name of place. It can be the name of any quality, any state. Nouns can be simple to understand because any name of a person, a place, animal, or thing. In simple words, whenever someone asks you, you can say naming words are called noun. Whenever there is a name of something, that will be a noun. Whether it will be feeling, whether it will be animal, place. Now there is again definition of noun. There are some different types of noun: proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable noun, non-countable, uncountable noun, collective noun, compound noun. In these of some types, we will discuss some of them here. The first is abstract noun. What is abstract noun? An abstract noun is a word which names something that you cannot see, hear, touch, smell, or taste. Abstract means absent. Abstract means absent, the thing which cannot be seen. That is basically that thing is present but cannot be seen. For example, if I say air, it is present, I can feel it, but I cannot hear it, I cannot see it. So here some examples of abstract noun. We have to get at the truth of the matter. Truth is basically a thing which can be here but cannot be seen, even it cannot be touched. So faith, for example, defeat, these things can be felt. These things can anger, love, hate, evil, strength. These things can be felt, cannot be heard, cannot be seen, cannot be touched. So these things are not that like they are not absent. They are not absent, or they are not the things which are not present in the world. They are present in the world, they are present inside the humans, but the thing is they cannot be seen, so that they are abstract. See, there are so many examples of abstract noun: movement, luck, dream, right, wealth, religion, goal, stupidity, friendship. For example, if I say honesty is the best policy, here honesty is using as a noun, but honesty is an abstract noun. For example, we say lie has no legs to stand upon. Lie is a noun. For example, I say love begets love. Love is a noun. For example, we say beauty needs no ornament. Beauty is a noun. So these all are the noun, and you can take the picture of these abstract noun. After that, concrete noun. A concrete noun is something you can touch, see, taste, smell, hear. Like you can use your five senses to see the concrete noun. For example, if you want to touch, you can see. Now here it's very simple, as it is the opposite of abstract noun, where abstract nouns are words that refer to entities that we cannot feel or with our five senses, whereas concrete nouns on the other hand can be detected and felt with our five senses. See, they are opposite of each other. In concrete noun, we see teacher, phone, London, water, voice, bitterness, egg, car. These all like the things which you can see, whether it is animal, whether it is a person, whether it is a thing, whatever it is. If you can see it, table, coffee, soap, mobile, dressing table, brush, anything which you can touch, which you can, for example, glass, anything, that is concrete noun. That is concrete noun. After that, collective noun. Definition of collective noun. A collective noun is a word used to represent a group of people, animals, or things. A collective means a group of something, people, animals, or things. Basically, we use collective nouns as a singular. For example, if I say a band of men, like it is a collective noun, but we use a with it. We use a determiner, basically article a with it. Now there are some separate collective. For people there are separate collective, for animals they are separate, and for things they are separate collective noun. A sentence of judges, a galaxy of beauties, a choir of singers, a hack of smokers, a cast of actors. So there are some, basically there are some specific collective noun for each group. For example, a flock of turkeys, a flight of birds, a brood of hens, a colony of gulls, things, a carton of milk. We used to say a bunch. We used to say bunch of banana, dozen of eggs, box of cereal, bowl of rice. So these all are the collective nouns. You can take the picture of it, and you can also see on the Google that how they are separate, how much collective nouns are present. But we use basically this simple, this for example, school of fishes, shoal of fishes, a herd of sheep, a hive of bees, a bunch of keys. So these are the common collective noun which we use. After that, we have countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns, you can see why I have different, so it will be easy for you to differentiate them and to understand them. Countable nouns can be counted. Example, an apple, a school, one picture, two pictures. They can be counted and they can be changed from singular to plural. Remember, for example, there is a book on the table. I can say there are books on the table. Okay, there is a book on the table. Those houses are very big, are not they? If I say that house is very big, I can change countable noun to plural because it is single. For example, an apple, I can say two apples, three apples, cool, one pictures, two pictures. Uncountable noun cannot be counted. For example, I cannot say two sugars, three sugars, two waters, three waters. Always take singular verbs. There is some water in that picture. We cannot say there is a water in the picture. I cannot add a or an with it. Understand? I cannot say waters. We cannot make it plural. We cannot make uncountable noun plural. So remember these things. I cannot say understandings. I cannot say sugars. I cannot say informations. Now here you can see noun is divided into proper noun, common noun. Countable noun is comes into common noun, countable and uncountable both. Then abstract and concrete noun comes into countable because abstract and concrete nouns are those things that can be counted. This is a chart. It is not necessary to learn. It's just for the extra knowledge. Noun phrase. Now the topic noun phrase, as you people have asked me, madam, what is noun phrase? Please define it. Let me define it. A word that names a person, place, thing, that is a noun. Now what is a noun phrase? A noun and any words in the sentence that modify it. Words that can modify noun include articles, adjectives. Those are noun phrase. For example, they collectively work as a group of words that collectively work as a noun. See in this, the man, a girl, head noun, the doggy in the window, the doggy in the, they are modifiers. Now let me give you, for example, if I say dog is a noun, okay, the brown dog, now this brown has modified the dog, no, it become a noun phrase. But if I say the large brown dog, the intimidating large brown dog, even the adjectives are included in this sentence, so it becomes the noun phrase. Now I have given you some examples here. The haunted house in the wood. What kind of house? The haunted house in the woods. So now it becomes noun phrase. A secret garden. Garden is a noun and secret is with enchanted flowers. Now it becomes a noun phrase as it is describing it more. After that, there's a young child who lived across the street. A young child. Now, child is a noun and young is modifying it who lived across the street. Now it is a whole is a noun phrase. Okay. Cuddly creature with a small furry body. With a small furry body, it is modifying that creature. So this whole is underlined, so it means this whole is a noun phrase. I hope the whole topic is understood by you. It is very easy. I hope the things are clear to you according to these things. Noun phrase examples. You can take the screenshots. You can do the. I will send you some exercises regarding these topics, and you have to do it. Okay. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much for listening.